Hey, what's up? Sam Acevedo here. I got the 335 in the back. I just wanted to shoot this video just to give you a walk around on what it looks like now before I make any changes to it. I have a bunch of boxes in the garage that are just waiting to jump on it. So before we make any changes, let's give you a quick tour what it looks like on the outside and the inside. Let's get to it. Okay, here she is. That's the front. Now this is a 2011 335 M Sport. So you can tell that it has an M Sport bumper on it. So I have a small little crack, or the bumper's coming apart a little bit right here. So it's detached from where it actually hooks on to the fender. I got 2 quotes from auto body shops, and as soon as I got there, they told me to get a new bumper, which I will do, but for now, I'm gonna rock this one. I already ordered have the front lip. As you saw, it has the black kidney grills. It's got wheels on it. I have no idea what these wheels are. I know they're replica wheels of the competition wheels. I think it's lowered on M Sport springs. I may be mistaken. I have to remove the wheel to see. It's got that M Sport rear. Love it. I'm looking for that rear diffuser though. I can't find it anywhere. Everyone's out of stock, and if they do have, they want like 500, 600 bucks, which is insane. But looks really good. Looks really good. I love the dual exhaust of the 335. Love the red tail lights. Ooh, I think I heard a Beamer. Car's already tinted. Saves me the trouble. Don't like, riding in a fishbowl, that's for sure. But the outside is clean, except for this stupid bumper. Okay. My kids are in the car right now. They're probably hating me right now. But I love it so far. It's super smooth. The suspension's okay. I'm gonna order some coilovers. I think that's what's next. All right, so the car came equipped, since this is 2011, with the, I guess it's called the convenience package, right? Because I can just unlock just without a key. Here we go. Came with the saddle brown interior, which I love the combination. Now the previous owner wrapped the interior with carbon fiber vinyl, which I am going to remove. I think the piano black would be a lot better, a lot cleaner. It'll go with the brown. It's got an M Sport kick plate. Just calling for new pedals. Check this out here. Whoever owned it put M3 plates here. I was hoping no one noticed. I'm not trying to build the M3 replica. As soon as my brother got in, he noticed it right away. Unbelievable. but the steering wheel is rewrapped. Sport. I love it. It's got a good weight and got a good thickness to it. Okay, so no key needed. Getting hot in here. Let me start it up real quick. Okay, as you can see, no codes. Amazing. Good way to start. All right, got a semi-wrapped. It's wrapped. Interior. Black. Piano black coming soon. I think they call it Cosmo black. All right, this car came from Florida. So I have everything but the heated seats. Car is equipped with the Harman Kardon. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It sounds good. It's got speakers in all the doors. It's got sub. Hey. Sorry. You ready to go? Yep. All right. So that does it for the walk around. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's a lot coming for this car. I got a bunch of parts. It's sitting in the garage. Ordered a bunch more. I just wanted to record this before I started anything. You know, document what it looked like, and then I'll do a video after with everything on it. That does it for this video. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.
Very nice.